The number of all positive integers up to 500 with non-repeating digits. Now, all positive integers is what they're talking about. So we will have, if I have to go all the way from 1 to 500, there will be single digit numbers also, there will be two digit numbers also, there will be three digit numbers also, right? So if I'm talking about single digit numbers, what are the single digit numbers? 1 all the way up to 9. Of course, there is no repetition of digits in this because there is only one digit. So there are how many numbers that we are looking at? We are looking at 9 numbers as a single digit numbers. Now let's talk about two digit numbers. If you look at two digit numbers, over here, how many digits can come? I'm looking at two digit numbers. So from 0 to 9, total of 10 digits, but 0 cannot come. So you have 9 options over here. Now, a number that has come over here cannot come over here, but 0 can come over here. So what are we saying? 0 to 9, 10 digits, but one of the digits has already been occupied. So how many digits? 9 digits. So total, how many numbers, two digit numbers that we are looking at? We are looking at total of 81 two digit numbers. Right now, we have to look at three digit numbers and we have to ensure that we do not exceed 500. So at this place, what are the options? You have all the options 1 up to 4. Correct? Now, any digit that has come over here will not come over here. But 0 is allowed at this place. So what are we saying? 0 to 9, 10 digits. But one of the digits is occupied over here. So how many options? 9 options over here. Now, at this place, what is going to happen? Two of the digits have been occupied. So from 0 to 9, 10 digits, two digits are gone. 8 digits is what you are left with. 0 is, of course, allowed at this place. So 9 8s are 72. 4 times of 72. So that is going to be equals to 288. So you are looking at 288 plus 81 plus 9, which is going to be what? 90 over here. 288 plus of 90 is what you are looking at, which is 378 as the answer for this question.